The CleanAirTower by Kemper. The standalone air cleaning system is best suited for cross-sector applications to capture and filter fine dust in almost all industrial and commercial areas. Returning purified indoor air into the room achieves significant heating cost savings. In a 360-degree radius, the CleanAirTower captures the dust and cleans it from the air before it can settle on the floor, the goods, and machinery. The cleaned indoor air is fed back into the room near the ground. It circulates with low velocity, not causing any drafts. When circulated, it pushes the polluted air out of the working area. This so-called layer ventilation principle is particularly recommended by professional associations. On the inside of the tower, the polluted air remains on the surface of the filter cartridges. The micromembrane layer filters harmful nanoparticles below 0.4 microns. When needed, the cleaning cycle engages the rotating nozzles to clean the filter. Then the fine dust particles fall into a disposable container. The disposable container collects the harmful particles, which are then disposed of, completely contamination-free. The most important features of the CleanAirTower are: it cleans the air according to the layer ventilation principle, which is recommended by professional health and safety associations. It achieves significant heating cost savings, thanks to air return into the room. Last, disposal is done, contamination-free, using the disposable container. The tower is assembled quickly and positioned easily, as no ducting is required. This is a plug-and-play system.